Imagine an eye that can not only understand code but write it with human-like precision. That's exactly what DeepSeek R1 brings to the table. Today, we're diving into this groundbreaking technology that's reshaping how we think about AI and coding. Let's start with what makes DeepSeek R1 special. This isn't just another language model, it's a specialized code generation AI that's been trained on a massive dataset of over 2 trillion tokens. That's roughly equivalent to 1.6 billion lines of code. The most fascinating part: DeepSeek R1 isn't just trained on code, it understands the relationships between natural language and programming languages. This means it can take your ideas, expressed in plain English, and turn them into working code. But here's where it gets really interesting. DeepSeek R1 has mastered multiple programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. It's like having a polyglot programmer at your fingertips, ready to help 24/7. What sets DeepSeek R1 apart is its incredible accuracy in 1. Understanding complex coding problems. 2. Generating clean, efficient code. 3. Debugging existing programs. 4. Explaining technical concepts in simple terms. Think about what this means for developers. 1. Faster prototyping of new applications. 2. More efficient debugging processes. 3. Better code documentation. 4. Automated testing solutions. But this is just the beginning. DeepSeek R1 represents a significant step toward more intelligent coding assistance. As this technology evolves, we might see it. 1. Revolutionizing how coding is taught. 2. Speeding up software development cycles. 3. Making programming more accessible to beginners. 4. Creating more sophisticated automated systems. As we wrap up, think about how tools like DeepSeek R1 might change your own coding journey. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this technology could be your next powerful ally. Leave a comment below about how you'd use DeepSeek R1 in your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.